'cause I have such special needs. I wondered what.
Bro, you are sick.
I am so lit right now.
Are things better or worse the second time around? Can we really do anything more than once? More than once? More than once? More than once?
She's still kind of shook. It was her first flight ever. She's still kind of shaking up.
If you want me in your vlog, just let me be myself and talk. She's like, I'm a little kid. I said it's in Miami. She's like a little girl. Yo.
Cause I said you was scared of a plane?
I ain't scared of no.
Shut up. Yeah.
I'd be disrespectful. I smack you across the face with this money.
But you wouldn't.
I would.
No, you wouldn't.
I did.
No, you definitely wouldn't.
I did.
No, you wouldn't. So why you didn't do it yet?
Come on, let me do it.
Yeah, exactly. You ain't about to do it. Exactly. So sit down. Like I said, she is shook up about her first plane ride.
I've never been to the desert before.
Yes, I have.
He's scared. He thought the driver kidnapped us.
Oh yeah, the driver was trying to kidnap us though. You did good, babe.
Jump in, jump in, jump. 1, 2, 3, jump. Pull it, pull it.
Somebody couldn't handle their salsa. He asked for a spicy salsa. His mouth on fire.
She sucks. She'll never win.
Yes, I do.
I beat you every time. I beat you every time you beat one of them quick. All right, I'm gonna let y'all know who won after this game. Oh, you broke your nail.
Soy el fuego que arde tu piel, soy el agua que mata tu sed, el castigo.